For example, computer is your favorite subject. And which is your favorite subject? Physics and science. So now computer is your favorite subject. Mathematics. Okay. So you can say that computer is a piece of cake for me. As you said about physics is a piece of cake for me. Is there any subject you don't like? Say about mathematics. Okay. Physics is a piece. I can say that mathematics is a piece of cake for mathematics. But it is. I can say that mathematics is a piece of cake. Basically, these two idiomatic expressions are the opposite of each other. Or these two are giving the opposite meaning. Basically, these two idiomatic expressions are mathematics and each other. मुझे बहुत पसंद है और giving the मेरे लिए आसान है. Definitely मुझे पसंद है. आपने कहा कि mathematics you can say that mathematics is a piece of मेरे लिए आसान है. Definitely मुझे चीज़ पसंद है कि वो आसान mathematics. So you can say piece of cake for me. Mathematics. Or if you are a creditor and you are saying that this border is very easier to hit on me, or border to have creditor बहुत आसानी से you are saying that this border is very easier to hit on. Border is a piece of cake that you बहुत आसानी से चिपके मार सकते. Got it? So you can use for any situation. This border is a piece of cake to the easier situation or किसी easier situation. So you can use for any situation. और which is referring to कोई difficult situation हो कोई मुश्किल चीज़ है मुश्किल टास्क है या मुश्किल situation है और उसके लिए जो कोई difficult situation हो कोई मुश्किल चीज़ है मुश्किल टास्क है ये मुश्किल situation है any difficult situation for example these three girls were saying that mathematics is a hot water for example these three girls were saying mathematics is a hot water for them but mathematics is a piece of cake for now for us. Which is your favorite subject? Mathematics is a hot water for them but mathematics academic subject. There isn't any favorite subject. Which is your favorite subject? I don't like academic subject. There is literally I don't like any subject. I don't like. So I don't have any piece of cake in my academic subjects. Don't even. I don't have piece of cake का मतलब है आसान चीजें, आसान tasks. But all the academic subjects का मतलब है आसान चीजें, आसान tasks. But all the academic subjects are the hard subjects. To me, this Saturday, we enjoyed a long weekend. That's why we thought to take a French leave. French leave याद है क्या होता है? French leave का मतलब था take leave without informing. French leave याद है क्या? Informing आपने किसी पार्टी को inform किया अपने ऑफिस से, स्कूल से, कॉलेज से, क्लास से नहीं करनी नहीं. उसको कहा जाता है French leave. तो मेरी French leave पार्टी को inform किया अपने ऑफिस से, स्कूल से, कॉलेज से, क्लास से. इंग्लिश बन गया French leave है French leave. Okay. Piece of cake easier or easiest task. Hot water is a difficult situation or difficult one. Piece of cake, the thing easier or easiest face. Difficult to tackle situation or इसको tackle करना मुश्किल है. The thing difficult situation or task को hot water face. Even so you can, if you are talking about the subject, you can use this idiom or talking about the difficult subject. अगर आपको कोई academic subject मुश्किल लगता है, उसके लिए भी आप hot water talking about the difficult subject. अगर आप आईना difficult situation है, उसके लिए this subject is a hot water for me. आईना ये तो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. ये subject मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. This subject is a pickle. That was also a similar one. Is pickle मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. In a pickle. That was also means pickle कैसे किसको कहते हैं? Pickle के meaning क्या होते हैं? In अचार. अचार pickle कैसे किसको क्या अचार? Pickle के meaning क्या होते हैं? I'm in a pickle. अचार. I'm in a pickle. I'm in a worse situation. I'm in a difficult time period. I'm in a pickle. I'm in a worse situation. I'm in a difficult चीज में फंस गए हैं उसको I'm in a pickle. I'm in a pickle. मुश्किल चीज में फंस गए. I'm stuck in a pickle. I'm in a pickle. I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in a worst time. So that would be
I'm
in a pickle.
I'm in a pickle. I'm in a difficult situation.
In alerts first. These two are giving similar meaning. Alerts. In alerts, in the difficult situation, are giving similar meaning. Expressions are giving the same meaning.
In alerts, in the difficult situation. So these two
A true friend
expressions are giving
will
the same
never
meaning.
leave you in alerts. A true friend will never leave
A
you
true
in
friend
pickle. Will never leave you in
अगर
alerts.
इसको थोड़ा और
Elaborate करना होता है आपको ये भी कह सकते हैं a true friend will never leave you alone.
अगर इसको थोड़ा और
elaborate करना होता है ये भी कह सकते हैं इसको elaborate will never आपको अकेले नहीं छोड़ेगा. Leave you alone in a pickle.
क्या आप
मुसीबत में आपका जो सच्चा दोस्त होता है उसको elaborate करना हमेशा आपको अकेले नहीं छोड़ेगा. ऐसा ही नहीं होता.
क्या आपको
मुसीबत में आपका जो सच्चा दोस्त होता है हमेशा आपको नहीं होता. ऐसा ही नहीं होता. मेरे दोस्त को मुझे ऐसे सबसे पहले वो मुश्किल टाइम पे आप छोड़ देते हैं. मेरे दोस्त को मुझे ऐसे जो मिसिंग है दिस गाइस वो फास्ट फ्रेंड मुश्किल टाइम पे आप फास्ट फ्रेंड कैसे हुआ फास्ट फ्रेंड ये बहुत गहरा दोस्त होता है ना उसको फास्ट फ्रेंड उसको चम भी बोलते हैं. चम फास्ट फ्रेंड बहुत गहरा दोस्त होता है ना उसको फास्ट फ्रेंड चम भी बोलते हैं. चम मेरे ख्याल में मामूल बनाते हैं आपके दिन भाई बनाते हैं. ओके मेरे ख्याल में मामूल बनाते हैं. A different basically that was a different volume. Okay different basically a different ball game. A different ball game. The thing which is entirely different. जो बिल्कुल different है. For example, if you are talking about the thing which is entirely different. आपको कोई कहता है different है. For example, if like your jeans, अगर आप jeans बिल्कुल पहनते ही नहीं हैं, आपको कोई कहता है it's wearing jeans is a different. Like your jeans, अगर आप interest के बारे आप कहेंगे बिल्कुल different है. Wearing jeans is a different. ठीक है. इन सिचुएशन के लिए आप बात कर सकते हैं. बारह मिशन चौथा बहुत बिल्कुल different है मेरे इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. ये सिचुएशन के लिए आप रमजान we will be having a different ball game and I am expecting to have the number of students in the class. Ramzan we will be having a different ball game and I am expecting we are in a pickle. Okay. After the Ramzan right now we will be having the number of students in the class. So we are in a pickle. Say that. Okay, we will be after having a different ball, having the number of students in the different ball game. Means एक different एक entirely different situation, different ball. अभी क्लास में students कम होते हैं different ball. रमजान के बाद एक different एक उस entirely different situation हम बोल सकते हैं. अभी क्लास में भी a different ball game. रमजान के बाद different situation एक उस different situation को हम बोल सकते हैं. इंटरेस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं different ball game को use करते हैं. different ball game. पेयर ऑफ शू आप अपने इंटरेस्ट के बारे में करते हैं उसमें भी आप उसको यूज करते हैं. पेयर ऑफ शू अनदर पेयर ऑफ शू पेयर ऑफ शू अनदर पेयर ऑफ शू पेयर ऑफ शू अनदर पेयर ऑफ शू. बड़ी जंप अनदर पेयर ऑफ शू बड़ी jump. It is not according to my interest. Okay. Another pair of shoe. These two idiomatic expressions are little bit, so giving the little bit similar meaning. These two idiomatic expressions
Another pair of shoe.
little bit, for example, so giving the little bit similar. Cheating someone is not my pair of shoe. Another pair of shoe is another. For example, cheating someone is speak in English is another pair of shoe. It is another pair. Okay. It has become another. Speak in English is another pair. A different ball game. A different ball game. Another pair of shoes. Okay. It has become another ball game. So a different this different ball game and another pair of shoes. All the eggs in one basket. All the eggs in one basket. So, for example, this is very beautifully. Someone all the eggs in one basket. His or all the eggs in one basket. In the previous class.
which was 2 days. Someone started. We were discussing about the business as well as which was 2 days, 3 days. We were discussing about the business. For this given question, I can give you the example. Someone started his own business, and for this given question, all the eggs in one basket. Someone started his own business. Put the eggs in one basket means he put all the eggs in one basket, utilizing all the efforts as well as money basket means for any new setup or a business. Utilizing all the efforts as well as money for any सारे पैसे new setup or a business. सारी abilities जो लगा देते हैं इसी की नए setup के business को जाता है. You put all the eggs in one basket. और सारी abilities जो लगा देते हैं
all the eggs in one basket.
So I put eggs in one basket. Put all the eggs in one basket.
All the eggs in
Start my own business. So I put or he will refer all the eggs in other basket. So that would be to start his own business. He earned all the eggs in one basket. Other person so that would be कि उसने अपने सारा पैसा business सारी abilities all the eggs in one basket लगा as business. He has started अपने सारा पैसा setup सारी abilities he even thought about the start of business. He had started in his first step. He put all the eggs in thought about starting a business. His up step or his first step. But he put so these are all the eggs in phrases. So you can use on daily basis that your real life. But so these are special phrases. So you can use on one basket. Daily basket of your real life. Are different as you mentioned, especially piece of cake. Easy to put all the eggs in one basket. Okay, now I want to have one sentence from every student about these. Okay, now I want to have one sentence from piece of cake. Every student, any of the sentence about these questions.
Piece of cake
But a computer is a piece of cake for me. Any of the sentence. So you can, if you are talking about any favorite subject or computer is a subject, it will be easier for you. For example, you can say that. So you can, if you are talking about any favorite subject, this situation is a subject, it will be easier for you. So you can say that. I think so. Winning a World Cup situation is a piece of cake for India. I think so. The South winning a South Africa was the difficult cake for India. Because it becomes a difficult opponent. South Africa was the difficult. New Zealanders are not so difficult. Was the difficult opponent. But now New Zealanders are hot water. Yes, not so difficult. Yes, hot water. Yes. Well, winning World Cup. Not only yes, winning World Cup has become the hot water. Winning World Pakistani cricket team. Winning a cricket World Cup has become the hot water. Luckily, our hockey team has winning a cricket World Cup qualified for the World Cup next year. Luckily, our hockey team, after winning the semi-final of qualified for the they are now officially into the World Cup. After winning the semi-final of qualifying. The next one is they are in a pickle. In a pickle. Pickle कहते हैं अचार में. मैं अचार में. The next one is in a pickle. A pickle. In a pickle. Yes, pickle कहते हैं अचार में. In a pickle, I feel myself in a pickle whenever I think about solving an equation myself. Okay. जब भी मैं कोई equation की think about कोई chemistry equation and mathematical equation, physics. जब भी मैं कोई equation कोई chemistry की equation, a different ball game equation, physics की equation. Okay. A different ball game. What? Economics or engineering. What is the difficult or the difference? Totally different. It is totally different from your area, from your theory. So it would be a different ball game. Engineering or commerce or economics is a different ball game. Engineering or Another pair of shoes or economics.
Scenario.
Different ball game. Another pair of shoes. Speak in English is another pair of shoes.
Any other
Speak
sentence
in
from any
English is
another pair of shoes.
pair of shoes.
Any other sentence from any student. Another pair of shoes.
Playing hockey is another pair of shoes.
Can be.
Playing
Okay. So that was
hockey
about
is
the
another question.
So just try to speak in your routine life and whatever should be
Okay.
in our class. So that was about the idioms, phrases. We need just try to in your routine life. Whatever.
So what about the next thing?
The idioms, phrases. We need to try it in your routine life.
Okay. So what about the next thing?